Good evening. I'm Sergeant Tom Letras with the Stanislaus County Sheriff's Department. This is your evening update for Friday, March 27th. Let's get right into the numbers. We have 23 positive cases, 783 negative test results, and we have 0 deaths still within Stanislaus County. Now, last evening, we talked a little bit about the negative numbers, so I want to get in a little bit to the positive numbers tonight. We know and understand that we have more than 23 people who have COVID-19 here in Stanislaus County. We are just giving you the numbers of the people that have been tested and have been positive. We also know that we already have community spread. Now, I'm not saying this to cause any anxiety or panic amongst anybody. The reason that we mention this is because we want to make sure that anytime you go out in public, you can reasonably assume that there's a possibility you could be exposed to COVID-19. Now, we understand that you can't just stay home locked in your house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You may need to get out and get groceries. You may need to get prescriptions. But what we are telling you is to leave as little as possible. Stay home, stay safe. If you have to go out, go out. But when you are out, use precautions. If you touch an item that somebody else may have touched, make sure you wash your hands. Try to keep your social distancing so you're not close to others. Try not to intermingle with people from another home. That is one way we can avoid spreading this transmission. So I just want to remind you all, be very careful. Stay at home as much as you can. If you need to go out and walk, go out and walk. Stay away from people. Another thing we want to touch on real quickly is early on in this, Stanislaus County already had a text messaging system called Stan Aware. We began pushing out alerts to Stan Aware, and then we came up with the Stan COVID-19. And that's the one we talked about last night, that you can text Stan COVID-19 to 888-777 for updates. So as of this evening, we quit sending out our messages to the Stan Aware. We will only send the updates to Stan COVID-19. So if you want to get the updates, please go back to, please sign up for Stan COVID-19 at 888-777. And our last reminder, we are going to continue to work throughout the weekend. So we plan to continue to give you updates each and every day. So be sure and tune in tomorrow night for our next update. Thank you. Be safe. Do your part to stop the spread.